Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a roll-in chest catch. If you've done any kind of chest moves already, that will be helpful. I'll put a link to one that would be probably an easy starting one in the description below. And the other thing you're going to need to know how to do this is a Wurlitzer. I'll put a link to that as well. But jumping straight in, it looks like this. It goes 7 and 8. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. Simple as that. So let's break it down. We'll start breaking it down from this side so you can see it, but you'll probably find the second run through just as useful. So it starts like a standard Wurlitzer. We go back, we come in, we send the lady out. Guy's going to stay lined up with the lady, and you can, when you spin the lady, instead of spinning the lady on the spot, you're going to draw her towards you so that she's spinning and coming towards you. So guys, you're going to have to judge the distance. You may have to back up a little bit, but you're trying to be close when she comes round to pop her hand onto your chest. So basically, guys, we get in the way. Depending upon what you're going to do, you might want to alter your position to get the lady to place her hand maybe offset to one side or in the middle. We're just going to do a straight push back, so we catch in the middle. And then once we've got some compression, we want to work with our connection with the lady. So I'm actually going to allow that compression to take it back, and then I'm going to do a prep. So I'm going to go forwards and back. I will probably have a stronger connection at this point than I did the first time because we're kind of getting into it. I'm then going to push straight to send my partner away, and then just catch the hand as she goes back, ready for the next move. So let's do the same thing from the other side, and we'll talk numbers. So we go back 1, flat 2, preparation 3, spin 4, splat 5. We're going to go back 6, forward 7, back 8, send the lady away 1, and catch 2. So let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, roll in, chest catch. We go a back, flat, away, spin, splat, backwards, forwards, backwards, push, and catch. And that's it. That's the whole thing. Do like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Liking and subscribing helps promote the channel and the moves, so big thank you to everyone who does that. Notification bell, if you've got it turned on, means you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. And also useful to know, in the last few seconds of the video, some windows come up. One of those is a link to a music video, which will be a tune that is nice to practice this to. As always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft.
I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.